What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, the Great Cans B, and today I have a couple of unboxing videos to do. So just get ready. I got a couple things here. Got some floor mats here for the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and I'm gonna be going over that. Got a few things for the bike as well. Will be in a later video, but hope you enjoy, and let's get to it. Alright, YouTube, so this is the first item here that we're unboxing today. These are the rubber floor mats here for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. As you can see, it says on here, Grand Cherokee here. And these are actually the OEM rubber mats. They didn't come with the purchase, so I went ahead and got those ordered here. So these are the OEM MOPAR placemats here. Go ahead and get these out of here. Alright, so as you can see, there's a couple of different pieces here. This one here, I believe, is the passenger, and this one here, I'll actually lay it right here on the ground. This one here, it's for the back section. You see it actually says Jeep right here on that. And then I have one more, which should be the driver's side. Bear with me one moment. It's a little hard to do this one-handed. Alright, and then here's this one. So really can't tell the difference, but I actually think this one is the driver's side and this one's the passenger. It has this little lip right here, which I believe goes about the pedal. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in and see what they look like. Okay, so there actually is one more part here. And this is actually for the back section, trunk area, and the cargo cover here. And it says Jeep on it as well. So we'll get this one out and see what this one looks like in the back as well. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and take this and put this one in first. In here. Just come over here and activate the lift gate. Alright, so let's put this in here and see what it looks like. Okay, so with it being OEM, it actually fits pretty perfect here, all on the side. You can see fits great. That way, keep the carpet clean, and if anything gets down here, just clean the rug off. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the front in the middle. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the driver's side first. Go ahead and put this in here, just put the seat back a little bit. Give us some room. Alright. Let's see, we got this little zip tie on here. Let's see if we can get this off of here. We don't need this tag. I'll just leave it for now. So, yeah, this definitely is for the driver's side. And it goes right there in there and looks pretty good. Alright, so let's go ahead and do the passenger. I actually just cleaned the Jeep, but being here 1 hour, there's still pollen all over it. Now, pollen's actually got me kind of stuffy, so if I sound congested, that's why. Let's get this passenger one in here. Alright, so again, OEM fits perfect. Let's do this back portion. right here, and this is lays across the bottom here. All right, let's put this right here, put that over there. Okay, let's make sure the other side fits. Back again. Let's get this right over here, and look at that, it fits perfect. So close these doors. All right, so for my final review. So for the final review of the OEM MOPAR rubber floor mats for the Jeep Grand Cherokee, I definitely approve. I think they're a necessity to have. If you do have a Jeep, you can go to carid.com, put in your year, model, and make, and you can definitely get those ordered. They're good to have when you're getting in and out of your Jeep. Make sure you want to keep your carpet clean, whether you have the black carpet or the tan. They're good to have, so you want to check those out. I appreciate you stopping by the channel. Drop a like, subscribe, even leave a comment, and see you next time, YouTube.